Alright, I'm Stormy with First Choice HVAC and Plumbing, and what we have here today is roughly a 2015 evaporator coil that has sprung a leak. We diagnosed this with an electronic leak detector, and this customer opted to just replace the evaporator coil at the time. So what we're going to be doing is removing this evaporator coil and putting in a new one, and we'll be right back with you to go over care and maintenance over a new evaporator coil and basically what our installation looks like. Alright, so this is the evaporator coil that we pulled out that I ran my electronic leak detector on, and right away when we pull it out you can see that this coil's been well maintained. Customer changes his filters regularly, but you can see oil residue throughout the system, just saturating the drain pan and completely covered, just running down all over the place. And that's probably the most common major problem these systems have, is leaking around 8 to 10 years old. Here we are replacing it.